So, Lisa, as you know, the implementation process and methodology is crucial. What can you share with our listeners as to how you feel your implementation process at Epicor is a differentiator from other ERP vendors?
Yeah, great question. I think it really does come down to our subvertical expertise, right? The knowledge that our consultants bring to the table in terms of best practices for that industry and the time to value. So I think our understanding the needs of global manufacturing, the challenges of differentiation if you're a distributor, and then how retailers are trying to compete with the Amazons of the world. And also many companies across these three areas we're actually seeing are becoming more of a hybrid where we'll have a distrifacturer, right? Where a distributor might actually now be doing some manufacturing as well to try to compete or differentiate. So I think our knowledge of that entire supply chain brings a unique understanding of what their suppliers and customers may need. And that allows us to really bring some world-class results that maybe other ERP vendors would not be as open to really discussing and reviewing with them. I think the other big thing that we do is like I said, we don't really view an implementation as done. We have our customer value workshop about a year after implementation. We continue to do this through the life cycle of that partnership. And we do come back. We make sure there's executive involvement in that to understand what's changed in their business. And then we really work to ensure that that company is leveraging all the software that we've provided to them. And so that's part of our sort of commitment to our customer engagement. It's not something we charge for. We actually feel like, especially if you're in a software as a service model, it is all about the company using the software, not just installing it. So that's probably for me, I think the big difference is that really deep industry capability and knowledge, and then the concept that we're never done, right? We want to continue to make sure that the value is realized.
I like that, Lisa. That's fantastic. You'd mentioned, I think, 2 or 3 times now in our conversation today, this idea of long-term value and leveraging a tool and the partner for years to come, right, in terms of continuous improvement. So this idea that you just said, we don't view an implementation as ever done, I think is a great idea.